Mm, Welcome to the second part of the fourth unit video lecture in software testing. These are the things which we will be discussing in fourth unit, as I told you already. And in this video, we will be discussing about verification and validation. Verification is the process of checking whether the software meets the stated functional and non-functional requirements. So whenever we say verification, we are verifying whether the product is satisfying the customer requirements. So that is verification, so which is done at the customer side. When we say validation, validation is a process that meets customers' expectations. So it goes beyond checking the conformance with specifications, demonstrating that the software does what the customer is expecting to do. For example, this validation is performed inside a company where the validation is going to be done by the developer. For example, if the customer is asking you to do addition of two numbers, and if the programmer does subtraction of two numbers, the result is absolutely going to be wrong. And that means that it is not going to meet the standards what the customer has asked, so the product has absolutely failed. So what the meaning of this is, validation checks the functionality and verification checks the product. So both the terms are always going to be interlinked with each other. And that is what the students would normally keep in their mind and understand very clearly. And concepts for verification and validation, basically what is going to fit the purpose, that is what we are going to identify. And these are the things in validations. Are we validation, are we building the product right? And verification, are we building the product right? Similar terms with different meanings, as I given you explanations. And these are the procedures in inspections. These are the advantages what we have in inspection. Basically just monitoring this. More details we will cover when we are discussing inside the class. And these are the types of testing: black box and white box testing. Thank you.